Meditation is so much easier than you think. I want to help you feel confident and easy, nearly instant access into that overarching meta state, which helps your brain in so many ways. I am Lauren, a modern day hypnosis ambassador, here to demystify and simplify the process, the ongoing process of self-hypnosis, because your subconscious and conscious always are in a story, and you can change this story, which changes your life, it changes your behaviors, it changes your preferences, it even changes your physiology. For me, meditation falls underneath hypnosis. So this means you are always doing hypnosis, and then sometimes you are doing meditation. Because when you are not doing meditation, what your mind or subconscious are doing is multitasking. So the meta state is really that singular, focused fixation, concentration, or inner reflection. And hopefully this is helpful for you to recognize that you are not doing meditation wrong. If you've been trying to sit in your meditation corner or stare at your candle or rehearse a mantra, and you're trying and focusing on emptying the mind, it likely can be stressful or exhausting for you, because our mind rarely empties. Instead, I like to understand that it's the mind doing a singular thing instead of all the scattered multitasking things, so that it is more efficient, that it is better engaged, and that you are really changing that story. Meditation is a quality over quantity, and there are several studies and several opinions about how long and what other sort of physical stimuli. Are you lying down? Are you sitting up? Are you lotus, crossing the legs to cut off blood circulation to the legs so that you've got all your energies fixation from the top of the head to the base of the root and the spine? It's more about doing it again and again and again. Think about a gratitude exercise. Doing this one time is great, but you perhaps haven't trained the subconscious with enough frequency yet to do this again and again and again on its own anytime it needs to shift out of the fight and flight state and into the rest and repair state. So a gratitude practice done again and again, and a meta state practice, a fixation, a singular focus on either the inside, the outside, the strength, or the release, is your way to get all the way arrived to this path, at least in the yoga philosophy and so many other ancient practices and cultural philosophies. Now, if you want to experience this thing through my support, I invite you for free to join any Monday for a live interaction of self-hypnosis techniques like meditation, like guided imagery support, plus teaching you more about how to do this in your own. And it doesn't take a lot of time. You might know that your mind can do this, and it always is doing this all of the time. Daydreaming, night dreaming. It is inside of a story. It is seeing that story. It is sensing that story. And you actually have your own modalities for interacting with that story, which is why you are the best one to be directing this thing. And so I really, really hope to simplify and empower for you to remember, and for taking this time, which it can just happen in a very quick amount of time. Of course, it doesn't happen for you without your participation. And if you hold it out in the future away from you, well, then it always stays out away from you like a carrot dangled. And the conscious mind a bit loves that drama and that yearning, that hunger for desire. But of course, your body, your subconscious, and your soul want to receive it and have it now. And that's where I want to remind you that you do have it. You can experience having all of it in your mind right now. And as you have it now, and as you experience becoming more, and you connect to that more, and you release it so that you have space to receive and connect to more, it is just an amazingly exciting life that is waiting here for you. And I would love to be by your side for just a little bit of time to support that. And this is where you can join every single Monday for a live demonstration of hypnotic techniques with Lauren Hall, me, your ambassador for Modern Day Hypnosis. You are not on camera. You have absolutely nothing to lose. And if you want to interact and let me know specifically goals that you have, I will direct tools for helping you. I want to give hypnosis to you tangibly so that you have it and that you can use it and that you can wake up from any story, any trance that is no longer, or perhaps never was, serving you. You deserve it. And thanks. Talk soon. Bye.